that's not herping weather. It's been raining all day, it rained all night, and I really wanted to get out today. So I thought the rain was going to miss us by a little bit, but it went straight over my house and all of the areas around my house that I go herping at. So we're going to give it a couple days, let this water dry up, and then hopefully get out and get on some snakes. Probably one day this week, towards the end of the week. My West Texas trip is probably getting delayed, so I was going to leave this Friday, but some technical difficulties with my dad. He broke his foot, so we can't get out probably as soon as we were hoping we could get out, but still doing that trip. Might give us another weekend to come out and herp here in Oklahoma with my friends, so we'll see what happens. There's still a chance we'll leave Friday, but we will continue this video as soon as all this water dries up. Like I said, probably towards the end of the week. But yeah. Alright, so forget everything that I said earlier. We came out and ended up looking for snakes. I don't even think, dude, this is a stick. It's a stick. Okay, well, we thought, I know, we thought it was a snake, but yeah, we're just gonna keep going. I think we might stop up here at this bridge and flip some stuff, but I don't know if stuff is gonna be moving on the road. It's probably entirely too wet to be doing any of this, but we're gonna find out. So we came down here to flip some cover, and these grasshoppers after the rain are just everywhere. There's a big puddle. There's so many of them. There's like hundreds. Let's see if I can zoom in on some of them.
I think the water went.
It's way too wet to be doing this. There's gonna be nothing undercover.
Nothing.
Over there.
There's a little red bag.
Ooh. Oh, there's a snake right there. And it's gone. I think it was a ringneck. Maybe we'll see another one.
What about those beer?
Natties. Natty daddies. I guess snakes don't like natty daddies or bush light. Oh, ants do though. That is disgusting. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's so many grasshoppers. What freaking rough green snakes are gonna be out tonight? RGS. Was it you that was with me last time when there was a big water snake under here?
I don't think so.
Oh, there's a ringneck.
Yeah, fella.
Okay, well, first snake at the spot. It's a big ringneck. Okay, let's see what else is under here. Oh. Okay. There's a skink. No. No. Whatever. Let's just do this one. Okay. There's a deer in the road, middle of the day. Don't know what he's doing, or she, I guess. But yeah, we're looking for snakes and listening to Lefe. Well, it's a herb. Dirty. Oh, gotta be fast. What are you doing? Whoa, you're quick. All right, okay. Okay. Oh, cool turtle. I'm awful with turtle names, so I don't know exactly what this is. It might be a red-eared slider. It has red ears. But there you go. Off the road. Stay off the road. Okay, so we just got onto this dirt road. You can see my tire marks where I slammed on the brakes. It's just a ribbon snake. I thought it was a rough green snake for a little bit because it was so fast. It was like jumping on the road. Barely saw it though, but yeah, cool little ribbon snake. Oh yeah, it gets slammed on the brakes and swerved out of the way. Totally not worth it, but it's a snake cruise for the day. So maybe stuff will be out crossing the roads. This guy's probably just out because they're a semi-aquatic species, but there's a car coming, so I'm just gonna get this. Let's put it this way probably. I think this is the way it was going. Gonna get this guy off the road and keep looking. So we've run into some branches in the road. Josh got out of the car and he's cleaning them off the road so we can drive by. Or clearing the road, I guess I should say. Hey, that's probably good. We're good. Oh, there's an armadillo! An armadillo! That was weird. Okay, yeah, we're getting back at it. Can't really see it on video. It's the armadillo. Where's that gonna go? Okay, so that car up there almost hit it. I'm gonna see if I can find it. Oh, I hear it. Oh, I see it. Oh, come here. It's a box turtle. It's a really pretty one too. Oh, he's so red and orange and insanely colored. Ow, his claws really hurt. Big, beautiful, looks like a boy box turtle. Just gonna make sure he gets on the other side of this fence in the direction he was going off the road. And hopefully he stays off the road. Next snake of the day. Oh, it's a really good one. I love finding these things during the daytime. That right there is a rough green snake, and that beetle's gonna come right across it. It's probably gonna freak out. They usually don't like to be held. Yeah, there he goes. Finding these things during the day is always so awesome because they're so hard to find during the day. He's being pretty chill too. At nighttime, you can take a flashlight and shine around in the brush and whatnot, and they'll glow. I was actually planning on doing that one of these nights here pretty soon, but finding one during the day is always amazing. Thought it was a blade of grass for a second, of course, but drove slow by it and it turned out to be rough green. So I'm just gonna let this guy go in the direction he was facing. And if he'll get off of me, and then he's gone. I mean, you can see why they're so hard to find during the day. I literally don't even know where he went. But yeah, like I said, we're just gonna get back to it, huh, Josh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like Josh just said, literally 2 inches away. I mean, down. Oh, if my phone will focus. Down there is where we just found that rough green snake. Right here is yet another box turtle who is alive but sucked up in his shell. He's very hot to the touch. My phone is waiting for Bluetooth connection too, so I'm gonna get this guy off going this way because it's a little bit more flat land, not as hard to travel around. Oh, there's hot wire there.
Waiting for connection.
Oh, there's a car. Freak. Okay. There, he's off the road. Now we gotta get out of the way. Okay, we got a couple things going on here. There's a turtle. You wanna go grab that turtle?
Yeah.
Okay. Right here, there's a, I'm sorry, there's a snake. Oh, it's DOR. I didn't know that. It's a little plain belly water snake, and it literally just got hit. So I'm gonna get that off the road. I think I might have seen another snake down there, but we were just driving, and I saw the one right there on the road, and then up there, Josh is wrangling a turtle. He flipped it over. Go help him. You got it. Oh, dude, that is oily, actually.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Poor guy.
Yeah, no kidding. Oh, man.
He's going this
He's
way.
got a very red shell. I don't know if that's from the oil or not, though. Here, let me see.
He also
that.
has like some really red marks on his neck.
That is weird. I mean, it's pretty, but it's pretty for the wrong reasons. He's a red ear. Huh. I've never seen a turtle have oil on him like that. You want to let it go on the camera?
He's going this way.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Off the road. Hopefully he stays off the road. I guess. I mean, Herpin's good, dude. I didn't think it'd be this good today because, like I was saying this morning, it rained all night last night. I'm getting in the passenger, I guess. It rained all night last night, and it rained all this morning. Yeah, I'll get you. So, I'm driving. We were about to turn around right here. Looked out of the car. Right there is a DOR pygmy rattlesnake. Awesome. That is the main thing we were out here looking for. And it's dead on the road. Not even that old either. What do you think about that?
Sucks.
Yeah, this does suck. It's pretty decent size. But there's nothing we can do except for keep cruising. We got
Save a baby bird thing.
there's a baby bird back here on the road we might go try to save, but yeah, we're gonna get this thing out of the road somehow and then just keep going. Big bummer, but what can you do? Okay, the car's all the way down there because I just ran back here because I thought I saw a snake in the road. It's a windshield wiper. It was literally curled up on the road like it was a snake, like just coming onto the grass.
Nice.
It wasn't a snake.
Where do we put it?
I don't know, man. We'll figure out somewhere. Come on.
No, it's a lot.
I was keeping count for a little while, but I lost count on these things. I have no idea how many we've seen now. Yet another slider of some sort. I'm awful with turtles, so. So I just stopped the car for this one. I'm not even gonna get out, but there's a DOR rough green snake. So upsetting, but we're just gonna keep moving. Okay, so it's not a snake, but right here in the road, we've got a tarantula. That's pretty cool. It's not huge, but it's not tiny either. Definitely get bigger than that, but I'm gonna try to just push him off the road. Oh, he's throwing his hairs all over the place. Let's see if we keep doing it. Yeah, we'll keep doing it. So this behavior that you see here, they throw their hairs up into the air with their back legs. See if I can get him. He's not gonna do it anymore. They throw them into the air with their back legs, and those hairs, basically like fiberglass. If you've ever had fiberglass in your skin, they like stick into you, and it's really uncomfortable. You get in your eyes, and they'll stay there. Really cool defense mechanism they use instead of trying to bite. So we're gonna get back in the car and see if we can't get any snakes. Okay, so Jack almost ran that hoe over.
Oh, I did not.
Yeah, you did. There's a copperhead. First snake of the night. Pretty little guy. Very pretty little copperhead. Okay, Jack's gonna get this thing off the road. He's still new to herping and using hooks and all that, so bear with. If he'll crawl, just let him crawl. But if not, then you just gotta kind of coax him over there. Go. Oh.
No.
That's where things get difficult. Just put your hook on one. Here you go. And then pull him back. There you go. Ooh, toss him.
Threw him a little hard.
Threw him away. Okay, maybe we'll go on.
There we go.
Awesome. First snake of the night. Josh and Jack.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get some more before it gets too late, because we're not staying out too late tonight, but yeah. Okay, we were stopping to turn down a different road, and bam, there's our second snake of the night. Would have been third. We got a DOR fresh DOR copperhead though, so 3 copperheads for the night, 2 live. This one's a little bit bigger. There's size comparison. Not huge by any means, probably born last year-ish, just a big one of the group, so. Another pretty nice copperhead, still has a green tail, so you can tell it's young. But yeah, we're gonna get it off the road and keep looking. We were driving and I shined my light in the trees, and there's a rough green snake right there, so I'm gonna get out of the car and go grab it real quick. Very deep grass right here, but I really want to catch this guy, so. How am I gonna do this? Oh, it's very soft too. Okay, let's keep this in 0.5, I think. And jump across, there we go. Okay. Okay, he's like wrapped around a branch right there. I can't get him. You gotta kind of like just let him do his own thing. Wait for him to come out on his own. There he goes. Okay, I got his head now. I just need him to come the rest of the way out. And, oh, almost, so close. Hey, it's very deep right here, be careful. There we go. Ooh, jump across. Okay, one of y'all hold this light? Good. Okay. And there. If I can zoom it. Here's our next snake of the night. And he's gonna get off the road on me. Okay, bring it back over here. Next snake of the night. Little ribbon snake. Nothing really too crazy, but it is a snake. Awesome. He's a little guy, but still kind of cool, I guess. Okay, we're releasing this guy just to show you what kind of conditions we're in. Can you bring the light over here? This is literally standing water. Like, that is a good 3 inches of water, and these snakes are still out here moving, so just let this guy go. Hopefully he stays off the road. And we're cruising out now, so that might be our last snake of the night. Could see potentially something else, probably copperheads if anything, but we're always hoping for a pygmy or a king snake or something notable along those lines. So if we don't see anything else, then that was our last snake of the night. So our night is ended. I think our last snake was that ribbon snake, if I'm not mistaken. And we just didn't see anything else after that. It's 11 on the dot right now. And me and Jack both have work in the morning, so we didn't want to make it a super late night. I think snake activity was slowly dying off anyways, so we're gonna get back out maybe Wednesday night and see if we can't turn up hopefully a pygmy this time. We've not had luck the past couple times we've been out there, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything together, all the clips that I have for this video, and then like I said, Wednesday we'll try to get back out. If not, then it'll be probably the weekend when we get back out. Herping was surprisingly good today, even though it rained so much. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make today one video, and then either Wednesday night or the weekend is when we'll have the next video out. So stay tuned for that. Again, if you want to see the pictures that I take of all the snakes that I find, follow me on Instagram. I'll link it in the bio. I'll try to put it up in the video somehow, but again, I'm new to this, so I don't really know how to do that. But I'll see what I can do. So see you in the next one.